You probably just made your CV for the first time at Europass and got confused how to download it. You clicked on the right video. I will show you how to download your Europass CV step by step. Just follow along and you will have your CV saved on your computer in a few seconds only. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, to open this website, you're gonna go to Chrome and search Europass. Then click on this website here. If you don't have a Europass profile, make sure you create one. After creating your profile, you're gonna go here. You're gonna be on your dashboard, click on documents, then click on my resumes here. Then choose the CV that you want to save and click on it. Make sure you fill in all these empty bars here because these are very important. They are about your personal details which are important on your CV to be appearing. Then in the top right here, click on download. You can choose here whether you want to save it as a PDF or you have other options here. This is how you can save your CV that you have made in Europass. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.